Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive tech to bring you the top 11 coolest gadgets every car driver needs to enhance their driving experience. From safety to entertainment, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's hit the road. 11. Toas Ultra Durable Cell Phone Holder for Car. Meet the Toas Ultra Durable Cell Phone Holder for Car, the ultimate solution for keeping your smartphone safe, secure, and easily accessible while you're on the road. Crafted with premium materials and precision engineering, this phone holder is built to withstand the rigors of daily driving and keep your device firmly in place, no matter where the road takes you. First up, let's talk about durability. Unlike flimsy phone mounts that wobble and shake at the slightest bump, the Toas holder features a robust construction that's designed to last. Made from high-quality materials including aviation-grade aluminum alloy and silicone padding, this holder can withstand the toughest driving conditions without breaking a sweat. 10. Basis Car Vacuum Cleaner. Although it's suitable for far more than just a car, this handy cordless vacuum boasts up to 45 minutes of power and a powerful double filtration system. Its metal composition makes for a sleek look as well, assuring you that this isn't one of those many bulky, portable options crowding up space in your car. As far as we're concerned, a well-kept vehicle is a happy vehicle, and doing away with crumbs is essential to keeping things in tip-top shape. 9. Keymart. While K-rings certainly have their place, they cannot compete with a Keymart, an amazing alternative to big pocket bulges, painful thigh jabs, and loud K-ring jingles, because jingle bells is only fashionable at Christmas time. The Keymart is an ingenious key storage system designed specifically to reorganize large K-ring payloads into a slim, compact key collection that is easy to access and makes everyday life more enjoyable. A single unit can hold up to 8 keys at a time, and with the expansion system, users can increase that capacity to 14 keys. The frame consists of aircraft-grade aluminum and is held together by stainless steel hardware. 8. Apple AirTags. AirTags use ultra-wideband technology and Apple's existing network of devices to help you track down lost or stolen items. Here's what you need to know before you attach them to everything you own. Apple's latest smart device is the AirTag, a small puck-shaped tracker that can help you locate misplaced or stolen items with the Find My app. It costs $29 for one or $99 for a pack of 4, and can be engraved with letters or an image of your choosing for free. Accessories like keychains, luggage tags, and loops, which hold the device, are sold separately. AirTags use ultra-wideband technology and take advantage of Apple's existing network of devices, which work as crowdsourced beacons to ping each other in order to determine your missing item's location. Here's what to know before you slap an AirTag on everything you own. 7. Garmin Drive Smart 55. Tired of getting lost or trying to navigate via smartphone? Then pick up a Garmin Drive Smart 55 and trust yourself to a dedicated GPS, a modern technological marvel. This Garmin is easy to read and can be controlled via either the 5.5-inch 1280 by 720 pixel touchscreen display or the voice recognition software. The GPS unit pairs nicely with compatible smartphones via Bluetooth, which allows for easy hands-free calling and convenient access to TripAdvisor, a list of history network-listed sites, and a national parks directory via the Garmin Drive app. The app also provides access to real-time information such as public parking lot status, traffic cameras, and current weather data. The Garmin Drive Smart 55 includes integrated Wi-Fi connectivity for computer-free map and software updates and is backup camera compatible. This unit is a little pricey, which is disappointing in light of its hit-or-miss voice recognition and the occasionally inefficient routing. 6. Therabody Smart Goggles. The motor WRLD has ruined my brain. I'm in constant need of stimulation watching TV and scrolling TikTok at the same time, or playing Tetris while mentally adding all of Jenna Ortega's outfits in Wednesday to my cart. I know. I need help. I'm not quite the adult equivalent of an iPad kid. At least I can still put my phone away while in the presence of other people. But couple my phone addiction with a job spent writing on a computer screen, and my skull and eyes have started to revolt. I'm plagued by eye fatigue and pounding headaches, the latter of which may or may not be a result of the aforementioned habits. Sometimes the headaches are throbbing, hitting me like a bolt of lightning. For added measure, occasionally my vision blurs for 20 or so minutes before the pain strikes. These ocular migraines started before I owned a smartphone, for what it's worth. 5. Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3 is the gold standard for standalone VR headsets, thanks to its swift processor, high resolution, and color pass-through cameras that enable high-quality augmented reality. Meta's latest VR headset, the Quest 3, greatly improves upon our previous favorite model, the Quest 2. For starters, it features a higher resolution display and a faster processor, so everything looks and feels better. More significantly, it has color pass-through cameras that make it possible to work and play in high-quality augmented reality using your surroundings. At $499.99, the Quest 3 costs $200 more than the Quest 2, but it contains hardware that surpasses the tech in the $999.99 Quest Pro. Those upgrades make the Meta Quest 3 our new Editor's Choice winner for VR headsets. 4. VTOP H612 Mirror Dash Cam. Situational awareness is critical to safety, and the VTOP H612 Mirror Dash Cam gives drivers the ultimate view in virtually any conditions. This system features a 12-inch 2.5K Ultra HD touchscreen and control panel that attaches to a car's rearview mirror, and is paired with a front camera boasting a 170-degree viewing angle and a waterproof 1080-pixel backup camera with a 160-degree viewing angle. The Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor ensures clear viewing in the dark, and the Intelligent Escort partner uses voice activation to launch essential operations. This system supports memory cards with up to 128 gigabytes of storage and uses advanced GPS support for travel data. 3. Leops LED tire lights. If you're trying to make your car stand out from the rest, these LED tire lights will definitely get the job done. They're made with bright LED bulbs that glow in different combinations of green, blue, white, and red. Plus, they're easy to install. Simply screw them onto your tire valves, and you're all set. The best part is that you don't have to turn them on or off because they'll automatically light up when the wheels begin to rotate. 2. Tracky GPS Tracker. With this GPS tracker, you'll be able to see exactly where your vehicle is at all times. Its compact size means it's hardly noticeable wherever you stash it, and the battery lasts for up to a full month before it needs to be charged, if it's not tracking in real time. If it's being used to track constantly, or every 5 minutes, it needs to be charged every 2 to 3 days. You're not limited to just cars either. Put it in your purse so that people know where you're traveling, or even keep it in your backpack for some extra peace of mind. 1. It's Echo Auto device. In the same vein that Apple's MagSafe tech has taken the world by storm, Amazon has practically invited itself into countless homes by way of Alexa, providing no choice but to bring the virtual assistant to life on the road. Now on its more compact, second-generation design, the retail conglomerate is equipped with 5 microphones, ensuring that it could catch your voice no matter how hard your A/C or AC/DC is blasting. Plus, it also allows you to stream directly from Apple Music or Spotify, as well as Amazon Music and Audible, of course. This is the perfect gadget for people who don't want the voice-activated experience to end just because they're leaving the house. And there you have it. Or top 11 coolest gadgets for car drivers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a safety-conscious driver, or just someone who loves gadgets, these innovative tools are sure to take your driving experience to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.